Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add tasks in JIra. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in JIra, you just want to simply click on create. Now here you get a project that you can choose, and then you're gonna see issue type, and you can simply choose between epic tag or like simple task here. Now you just want to add a summary, and summary can be, I don't know, new video ideas. Then you're gonna see description. First, we will talk about how to, I don't know, create script. Then we're gonna see assigning, labels, if you created some. You can also like create a new label if you want to. Then you're gonna see sprint here, if you have some open. Attachment, linked issues, if you have. And yep, then just like click create here. And now I would go to roadmap and backlog. And here we got it, new video ideas. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So this is how we can add tasks in JIra. Thank you very much everybody for watching. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.